Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we bring your design ideas to life. Today, we're creating custom party favors using Canva. Whether it's for a birthday, wedding, or any special event, personalized party favors make your celebration unforgettable. Let's get started. First, log in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, no worries. Signing up is quick and free. Now, let's get creative. On the Canva homepage, type Party Favor in the search bar. Canva has a variety of templates that are perfect for customizing. Choose one that fits your event's theme. Once you've selected a template, it's time to make it your own. Click on the template to open the editor. Here, you can customize the text, colors, fonts, and images to match your style. Customizing the design. Let's start with the text. Click on the text box and type in your message. It could be a thank you note, the name of the event, or any other special message. You can adjust the font style, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. Next, let's customize the design elements. Canva offers a vast library of backgrounds, patterns, and images. Click on Elements on the left-hand side and search for backgrounds that match your theme. You can also upload your own images to give it a personal touch. Adding images. Adding personal photos or themed images can make your party favors even more special. Click on Uploads to add your own pictures. Once uploaded, drag and drop them onto your design. Adding elements. You can also enhance your party favors with icons and illustrations. Click on Elements again and search for icons that complement your theme, such as balloons, stars, or flowers. Adjust the size and placement to fit your design. Adjusting colors. Don't forget to play around with the colors to match your event's color scheme. You can change the colors of text, backgrounds, and icons using the color tool at the top. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and download your custom party favors. Click on the Share button at the top right, and then select Download. Choose your preferred file format. PNG or PDF are great for printing, and hit the download button. And that's it. Your unique and personalized party favors are ready to impress your guests and add a special touch to your event. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.